and welcome to our snowy Christmas Eve wildcard game between the majestic Moggers and the galloping Gooners. We are nothing but excited to bring this game to you today for our first ever playoff game of the PFL, and it is going to be a fun one. Stay tuned in. All right, so here we are, the first week of the wildcard 2 weeks period, and today we've got a good one. All right, here's the Gooners with the ball. It's gonna be a fake handoff play action pass. Mason, go look to throw. He's gonna still try to find somebody. Clock is ticking down. Chase slipping around these conditions. Throwing it to Eli, and that is incomplete. And it'll lead to a second down. All right, second down.
Eagles against the Lions. They're gonna block me. If they come this way, I got it. They're gonna block me.
It's gonna be a run to Chase. Looking for blocks. He's got a lane. He's got a hole, and he's gonna get wrapped up by Colin. Yeah, he will be wrapped up by Colin. It'll lead to a third down. All right, third down. Mason gonna look to throw. Chase going deep. Conditions are not perfect for a deep ball today. Mason gonna throw this one to Chase. That's caught. What a grab in the snow. And it'll lead to a fourth and manageable now. So now a fourth down on the very first drive for the Gooners. Gonna throw this one deep to Chase, and it's incomplete. Great defense by Kyler, and it'll be a turnover on downs for the Gooners. So here we go. Colin to his left, Kyler to his right. Mason audibling. Colin gonna run a nice little screen pass here, and he's got a lane. Colin is gone. Touchdown, Moggers.
Oh! Wow! Hey!
So now the Moggers will be going for a 1-point conversion here. Try to make this a 7-0 game. But here we go. Here's the 1-point conversion. Kyler behind oh, and there he goes. Gonna look to throw. He's trying to find and caught by Colin. And the 1 point is good. 7-0 Moggers. So here we go. The Gooners trying to make a rebellion against that 7-0 score right now. It's going to be a play action pass. Mason going to look deep. Going to throw it up to the pile, and it's a little bit to the right. Nobody comes down with it. Chase falls in the snow. And that's it. That's what you love to see. A smile on that kid's face. So here we go. Second down. Eli trying to use his girth, and he's pushing it. He's trying. Oh, and he's in the snow. And it'll lead to a third down, but one of the best second down gains you'll see of this game. And now it's time to meet the Gooners. Chase Van, Butte Community College. Eli. Bulk University. Okay, here it is. Third down once again, replaying third down. Eli trying to get open. He's gonna find Eli, and that's caught. Eli's got a gate here, and he's pushing it all the way down to the 5-yard line. So here we go, fourth down for the Gooners. Watch some sort of screen here. Chase in motion. He's gonna look to throw, and he's gonna get grabbed a little bit. No call. And Chase still trying to get open. Eli's trying to get open now, and it's knocked away by Colin. And it'll be another scoreless drive for the Gooners. Here we go for the Moggers, trying to build on to their already 7-0 lead. Mason gonna look to throw, trying to find a man deep. He's got Kyler, but it's a little bit behind. And a second down now. Now let's take a look at the majestic Moggers. Big Kai, fuck you, University. Scotland, Deep Ball University.
Oh! Picked off! Picked off! Picked off!
Now after the pick, Mason gonna look to throw, trying to find a man, but a lot of contact going on in the snow. Gonna find Chase, and that's grabbed in, but quickly secured by Kyler. So here we go, second down. Chase trying to do the most against Kyler right now, trying to gain space. Eli gonna be a sleeper in the back. Oh, and there is a PI called as Eli was thrown to the ground there. Sound they want to run to. And it will be a run to Chase, and he's got nothing but daylight in front of him. And it is a touchdown.
And the Gooners are back in this game. Early Christmas present.
Chase making moves. Eli being nonchalant with his route. Gonna look to throw. No. Pump fakes. Chase falling in the snow. Time running down, trying to find Chase, and it's knocked away by Kyler Lemke. ISO formation lined up here. Gonna be a pitch to Kyler. He's got a hole. He's trying to stiff arm Chase, and he will be grabbed down after a gain of only about 5. 5-yard gain. Colin singled up by Chase. Kyler open here after the fall, and he can't grab it in. Trying to find somebody. Both going deep. Kyler over the middle. He's got his man, and it's knocked away by Eli. They gotta make it about a 75% of the field to score here. Just both going deep. That ball is thrown up, and it's caught! Touchdown, Kyler, 6 and up.
Oh my God!
It hit me in the face.
Versions in the league. Another play action pass. Mason gonna look to throw. Scanning the field. Kyler's open, and he's got it. 1 point is good. And they go up 14-6. Gonna be a fake run type thing, and here's Chase. He's behind the line of scrimmage. It's a picked up ball, and I don't even know what to call that. It's now a 2nd down. Another play action pass. Mason gonna look to throw. Chase making moves. Mason still trying to find somebody. Great coverage here. Time ticking down. Throwing it deep to Eli LaPlante, and it's caught! Touchdown! No, he's gonna be down. Or is he in? Touchdown, Eli LaPlante! And the Gooners answer back. It is now a 2-point conversion. Chase finding him, and it's caught. Good tie ball game. The PFL Wild Card Round is sponsored by Kirkland.
What water is that?
Oh, it's Kirkland.
Oh my, Kirkland.
Yeah, it's Kirkland. Ew, I
Oh, this is the best water I've ever tasted.
Oh, yeah? Well, it's also pretty fun because we're sponsored by Kirkland.
Oh my.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, no, it's crazy. The water's Kirkland.
It's from the Kirkland water.
Yeah, it's from the Kirkland water flow in Africa. Answer back after another deep dive. Kyler making moves early here. And Chase slips, but he goes deep. Colin! Bang! Touchdown! In a 1-play, 1-touchdown drive. And Colin looking like his week 1 form all over again. And oh my God, Mason almost just died. The Moggers trying to build onto the lead that they have. Colin gonna be open, it's gonna be caught, and boom, it goes up 21-14. After the slow start, but here we go. Gooners, Chase making a quick drive, a little stop and go. Going deep for Chase, and picked off by Kyler Lemke. And just like that, Moggers have the ball again. Let's look at the camera quality of this. You can see Kyler Lemke's beautiful little cheeks. 21-14. Gonna look deep again. Building space deep. And it's caught! Another deep ball for Kyler Lemke. And the Moggers go up 27-14. Kyler Lemke is very far out. Man in motion is Kyler. It's gonna be another reverse. And this is a confusing play here. Kyler's gonna take it and run, and he's gonna score. He's in. Kyler Lemke using his legs and gets in the end zone to make this 28-14. 1st and 10 for the Gooners. Gonna be a pitch, and Chase fumbles it. He kicks it up, and he's gonna try to make it, and he'll be down. But a nasty juke he laid on there.
There you go.
Oh, it's behind. He fumbles it. He's still going. Down.
first fumble and recovery. It's gonna be another play action pass back to Chase, and he's gonna try to find a lane. Chase trying to make it the distance, and he will go all the way. Is he in? Back to Chase. He's gonna try to find a lane. Chase trying to make it the distance, and he will go. Oh, touchdown! He's in! The ball is across! And here we go. Chase trying to make moves. It's going to be thrown to Eli, caught. And just like that, the Gooners are making the Moggers a little bit scared in this wild card round. It's going to be a play action. He slips. It's going to be a fake slip. He's going to try to find somebody. He finds Kyler, and he's brought down. Oh, and he's thrown down. Eli LaPlante is getting angry. Oh, that might be down. Wow. Oh my goodness. From Colin. Moving back over is Kyler. That's gonna be a jet sweep play action pass. Look at deep. He's incomplete. A little bit to the left, and I don't think Kyler expected that one. Formation here. Something we've seen a little bit of. It's going to be a play action pass. It's going to be a dump off to Kyler. He makes a move, and Kyler might just send them into the next round. He will. And the Moggers. Oh, juked! Oh. No! The Moggers will have to get the 1 point to try to send their way to the second round. But Kyle Lemke with the all-time effort to make a play there. Here is the game. Oh, shit! It's a double set. It's going to be a fake screen. Colin is wide open, and they have moved on.
Don't rush it, though.
Oh! It is wide open. What are they doing? And they lose. And Colin has sent them into the next round. And the Moggers move on. And we got a fight going on. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Colin, how does it feel that you just punched your ticket to the very next round?
Not bad, but I would like to congratulate Kyler too.
Thank you.
For the 3 touchdowns. Pick.
Yeah, 3 touchdowns.
Hey! Oh!
Help your teammate.
Oh my God! Get in there! Get in there! Oh my goodness!
Hey, break it up.
Oh my goodness!
Break it up. Break it up. Hey.
Wow.
I don't know what to do about this.
I kind of want to get in there, but not really.
It looks so fun.
Break it up.
Look at that position.
Yeah, we can just. All right, guys. Break it up. I'm gonna throw snow in your face.
Oh, boy.
Hey.
Oh my God!